Hello viewers, coming to you from the secret spot. This wave here in the secret spot is near the rock. This wave it always ends near the rocks. It's not a good day to surf this one. I'm gonna chase the spot right now and go as fast as possible to Bear Spot, my home spot, so we can catch some good ones with the high tide. Let's go for it. Here's Bear Spot right now. Let's go to the peak and see what we got here. Let's go for it. That was a nice air roll in a small wave. Let's catch another one. Let's go. A nice barrel, a big one. After that surf session, my home spot there, we caught some good waves, and I said, why not? Let's go to the swimming pool and enjoy a swim workout at night. Let's dive for a 25 meter long. Let's go.